see, I done messed the arms up. And I tried to make like muscular arms, and you know, it was going pretty good. And I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna redo it. I think I'm gonna make it more movie accurate. I mean, I'm not redoing the head, but I think I'm gonna make the arms more accurate to the movie, where he was like kind of like a skinny kid. Also, it uses less clay. But that was a problem. It was hard for me to try to work on him. You know, because every time I try to work on him, I'd end up having to grab him, and then my fingers would mess up where I've already worked. And trying to keep his ass still, it became a problem. But I think I'm gonna try to finish him. But yeah, this is the one. His ass comes out the lake and grabs the canoe, pulls her under.